Okay, this is a sound test, kind of specifically for Joseph, but I'm gonna upload it to YouTube. Uh, but I just wanted Joseph to hear this new mic, or no, the new keyboard. Yeah. Let's see if this works. Oh, hold on. What? Oh, interesting. Anyway, this sounds amazing. I love it. Joseph, you should get one of these. Goodbye. And other people should get this too.